Health Info, bringing you well-researched medical information. Today, we will bring you some of the current developments taking place in the realm of kidney disease research. Chronic kidney disease is becoming a growing concern for healthcare professionals who provide medical care to kidney patients on a regular basis. Presently, there is very little that can be done if the kidneys fail to work. The patient may have to start undergoing dialysis or must undergo kidney transplantation. For this reason, scientists and clinicians have been working round the clock to find new solutions for patients. We are sharing some of the updates here. Genetics and kidney disease risk in various populations. Before, there was very little information to correctly identify at-risk individuals in developing kidney disease. First sets of data were mainly derived from gene pools of patients of European descent. However, with time, we have come to know that individuals from other racial backgrounds may have different genetic variations that lead to kidney disease. Based on this premise, and to address the concern that patients of different populations run a risk of remaining unidentified for their kidney risk, a few researchers did a meta-analysis to identify risk genes and developed a score to identify high-risk patients. The genome-wide polygenic score was used to predict patients who are very likely to develop CKD. This poly, or multiple gene-based score helps identify individuals from different backgrounds and ancestries who are at higher risk of developing kidney disease. For example, individuals with African ancestry have an overall higher polygenic risk score for CKD. This may be increased with the presence of APOL1 variants in the genetic makeup. Research on human tissue models. In early stages of research, animal models are used to study how a disease develops and evolves. The animal models used in laboratories provide much information. However, with the kidney being a complex organ, scientists are now using human tissues to study kidney disease in the laboratories. The special cells that are used to create mini-organs or organoids are called stem cells. These stem cells, when coaxed well, can create mini-organs that look and act a lot like the kidney, and these are now being used to study kidney diseases. Scientists can then make changes in the genes of these organoids to see how it affects them, and how the disease displays itself, which gives them insights about how the disease evolves. It is seen as one of the ways kidney disease in humans can be studied in laboratories. Role of immune agents in kidney scarring. Patients who have CKD usually show scarring in kidneys, which suggests that there is inflammation involved in causing the scarring. However, how this takes place is not well understood. In research, it was found that some parts of the kidneys release a certain type of a molecule. This molecule, called the CXCL1, attracts a special kind of white blood cells called basophils, which then cause changes and inflammation in the area. This inflammation is then thought to contribute to scarring of the tissue. It was seen that if the CXCL1 was not produced by the kidneys, through some intervention such as a medicine, the basophils don't arrive at the location, and no inflammation or scarring takes place. This information is extremely useful and can help scientists develop treatments that prevent scarring from taking place, and in this way slow down kidney disease progression. Blocking factors causing inflammation. Another protein that has been identified to cause inflammation is the S1P protein. This protein is seen to cause a chain reaction of inflammation, which then causes kidney scarring. While scientists know that some drugs can block this protein and hence the chain reaction, the problem is that it brings with it a lot of side effects. Scientists have, however, found a way to disrupt this chain reaction through another mechanism. By blocking another molecule called SPNS2, it blocks the S1P protein, which then blocks inflammation. Though still under development, the blocking pathway of SPNS2 can offer a unique solution for patients with kidney disease. Protecting the heart. Patients with kidney disease develop hypertension or high blood pressure. When they do, it puts stress on the heart. And so, as the disease advances, it becomes important to take care of heart or cardiac matters alongside kidney matters for the patient's health and safety. A drug called chlorthalidone has been found to help patients with advanced kidney disease. In a small research, patients with high blood pressure and advanced CKD were given the medication with the other standard hypertensive medications. The drug showed many improvements in patients who received it. For example, there was a noticeable decrease in blood pressure, weight loss, and improvement in different blood biomarkers that indicate or predict heart failure risk. Risk of heart failure went down. The drug provides promise, but there is still research needed to confirm its beneficial effects. Keep watching our videos to learn more about current research and updates in treatments for different medical conditions. If you like our videos and want to learn more, please leave a comment below. Subscribe and share to help others.